Welcome this video outdoor kitchen wood cabin. Create an outdoor kitchen with wood cabin is an excellent way to enhance your backyard space. This gas will work through the step to design, build and main interest wood cabin for your outdoor kitchen. Durable, functionally and aesthetic appeal. Benefit of outdoor kitchen wood cabin. Custom wood cabin can be tranquil to your scientific need and professional make theme idea of outdoor space kitchen aesthetic appeal. Natural wood add warmth and artistic charm to any space. Durable when proper tranquil wood can withstand outdoor elements and last for year. Choose the right wood. The type of wood your choice will determine the durable and look of your cabin. Consider those popular other redwood, often excellent weather resisting and a beautiful finish. Clumping, resisting to root and instant. Tool and material need. Tool sanding material. Choose wood pallet, wood gum, wood fall, and outdoor wood sandpaper. Step by step gas to build outdoor kitchen wood cabin. Plants and design. Space. Determinant day. Response of your outdoor kitchen area. Layout. Cyan on the numbering of cabin their space and air placement. Incorporating applications. Access to gallery, sand and other applications that will be instant. Step 2. Progress the wood. Cut the wood. Use a sawn to cut wood plants to the request determinant of cabin frame, door, and scrolling. Surface. Smoke the wood. Surface use sandpaper start with the finish with fine glow. Appear are sanding. Cast a wood with a waterproof and request to protect its frame, mounting, and UV rent. Access the cabin frame. Build the frame. Use wood gum and seam to access the cabin frame. Shade. Shade within the frame at determinate height. Use cabin to hold the frame with add cottage. Bring off front. Install cabin door. Cut door edge the door fit the cabin open switch. Use sealant, height door to the frame. Add headring. Install headring on night for easy access. Panel and product. Light sand. Bring cabin and for a smoke finish. Apply finish cost. Add another layout. Switch off extend productive. Instant choice of any lost scene. Edge and asphyx. Installing one your cabin and build installing theme in your outdoor kitchen space. Amal applications. Application fit progress within design space. A tech pull for sand or gas line for glory as need. Main interest type. Regulate, clean, wide, down cabin, to remove dew, renew the weather proof, cost even 1 2 year. Main interest product. Instant for the time. Request check of warm and lost hardware and address income productive. Enhance your outdoor kitchen. Lights. Add LED sticking or over hard light for even use. Country top. Paid your cabin with durable country top such as growing or staking decoration, incorporating plants outdoor range or bring stone for a cozy atmosphere. budget for your project. Wood cost high quality wood like trellis or redwood with increase your budget but long wait tool for test in tall cost if you do not also theme stand budget for heading seamless conclusion budget your owner outdoor kitchen board cabin is a reward project that can elevate your backyard stand with paper plan quality material and request main interest your cabin will be a beautiful and functionally add to your outdoor space for years to come. Start your journey tomorrow and enjoy the benefit of a personally outdoor kitchen. Enhance your outdoor kitchen lights. Add LED lights overhead for even use decor incorporating. Thank you for watching this video.